Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the Pancake compressor near the tire. Make sure the hose reaches without stretching. Connect to a grounded 120V outlet or attach the battery adapter because stable power prevents voltage drop. Once powered, flip the unit on and let the motor build pressure for 30-60 seconds so the system stabilizes. Then, set your gauge to sigh and dial in the target tire pressure. This prevents overinflation, and it gives you a reliable baseline to begin inflating. You remove the valve cap and press the valve core briefly to clear debris because a clean port seals better. Attach the compressor chuck firmly, push, then lock it so you don't lose pressure mid-fill. Inflate in controlled bursts. Run the compressor 5-10 seconds, stop, then read the gauge. This prevents overshoot and lets the tire settle. Make sure to approach the target slowly because tire temperature affects pressure. Once close, finish with short pulses for precision. You finish by releasing the chuck carefully so you keep most of the pressure, then immediately replace the valve cap and recheck the tire to confirm the target sigh. If the reading falls fast, make sure the valve stem and chuck weren't leaking. A loose stem nut or damaged chuck often causes loss. If you still see leaks, apply soapy water to the stem and bead. Bubbles reveal problems. Then tighten or swap the faulty part and repeat the inflation process until the tire holds steady.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.